Are you tired of working insane hours just to watch your paycheck disappear? In Canada, the cost of living is exploding and your 9-to-5 salary just isn't cutting it anymore. You're putting in the work, you're exhausted, and you're still falling behind. It feels like you're trapped in an endless cycle. But, what if I told you there was a way out? What if you could build a second income stream right from your home that could not only cover your bills but potentially make more than your day job? It's not a dream, it's a strategy. And today, I'm giving you the blueprint. Welcome to Neuro Profit AI. I'm your host. I'm about to show you 10 real high-paying side hustles you can actually do in Canada, even with a full-time job. We're not talking about filling out surveys for pennies. We are talking about legitimate businesses. You can start tonight with the skills you already have. Forget the idea that you need to quit your job to get ahead. Financial freedom is right here and it fits around your current schedule. This is a full 10-minute deep dive. Get ready to take notes. Subtitles available in English. Turn them on if you need them. Hustle 1. Freelance writing and copywriting. You get home from work, your brain is fried, and the last thing you want to do is start another huge project. You feel like you only have a couple of good hours in you before you crash, but here's the secret. Those 2 hours are gold. The problem isn't your lack of time. It's using that time on low-value tasks. Stop thinking you need to write 10 articles a night. Target high-impact, high-rate projects. Companies are desperate for people who can write compelling emails, website copy, blog posts. So how do you do it? You're going to use a strategy called time blocking. Dedicate just 1 or 2 hours every evening exclusively to your writing business. That's your sacred time. During these blocks, you're not scrolling social media, you're writing for a client, or you're pitching new ones. Platforms like Upwork, ProBlogger, and even LinkedIn are packed with businesses willing to pay top dollar. Don't just accept the first gig you see. Look for clients who need ongoing work. Your goal is to secure retainer clients, predictable income, one client paying $1,000 a month, or 2 clients at $2,000, working just a few hours per week. New freelance writers in Canada can start at around 10 cents per word, or 20 cents per word. With a solid portfolio, you can command 50 cents a word, $1, or more. 1,000-word posts weekly can add thousands to your monthly income. Fellow Canadians, remember taxes. Set aside about 25 to 30%. Track your laptop, internet, and software. Deductible. Register for a GST HST number once you hit $30,000 over 4 consecutive quarters. This isn't just a hustle, it's a real business. Work smarter, focus on quality, secure retainers, and scale without burning out. Hustle 2. Online tutoring and teaching. Parents and students everywhere are struggling. Schools can't provide one-on-one help. They need help with everything from high school math to learning English as a second language. They need flexible times, evenings, and weekends. This is where you come in. Platforms like TutorOcean, Paper, and VIP Kid connect you with students. You set your hours. Start at 25 to 30 per hour. Raise rates with reviews. Top tutors make 50, 75, even over 100 per hour. 2 hours nightly plus a weekend block can add $2,000 to $3,000 per month. Post locally. Offer Zoom or in person. Keep 100% by going independent. In Canada, report on T2125. Deduct platform fees, a webcam, and materials. Simple, scalable, rewarding. Hustle 3. Virtual assistant services. Think about every small business owner you know. They are overwhelmed. CEO, marketer, salesperson, and admin at once. They need help with email, scheduling, and invoicing, but can't afford full-time staff. Step in as a virtual assistant. You're the remote-controlled backbone of their business from anywhere. Don't be on call. Batch tasks. This efficiency lets you handle multiple clients calmly. Forget hourly. Sell outcomes with monthly retainers. A basic admin package at $500. A premium growth package at $1,500. 2 premium clients can add $3,000 a month. Track earnings and expenses. Deduct your phone, a portion of internet, and tools like Calendly. Demand is insane. Be their solution. Hustle 4. Print on demand and merch. You have amazing ideas for t-shirts, mugs, posters, but inventory and shipping are a nightmare. Print on demand is the solution, and a game changer for passive income. Create designs, upload to Printful or Printify, connect Shopify or Etsy. Customer buys, POD prints, packs, and ships. You collect profit. Spend a weekend making 10, 20, or 50 products that can sell forever. Then market in the evenings. You're not selling a t-shirt, you're selling an identity. Skip generic. The more specific the niche, the easier to target, and the more they'll pay. One viral design can make tens of thousands while you sleep. POD facilities in Canada mean faster shipping and no surprise duties. Configure GST, HST, and track Shopify fees, app costs, and ad spend. They're all deductible. Hustle 5. Affiliate marketing and niche content. You want to create content, but it feels like it takes forever to make money. You need day one monetization. Affiliate marketing pays you commissions for recommending products. Build it in from the start. Become a trusted expert in a super specific niche. The narrower the focus, the faster the trust. Create content like the 5 best standing desks you can buy on Amazon Canada and link with your unique affiliate URLs. Skip $10 phone cases. Promote high-ticket items or recurring software subscriptions to build real wealth. Use Amazon.ca, Best Buy, Indigo, and countless software companies. Spend a weekend on a high-quality video or blog post that earns for years. While you're at work, your content sells 24/7. Report as self-employment income. Your camera, hosting, and editing software are business expenses. You're building a media asset for a decade. Hustle 6. Reselling and flipping. You walk a thrift store or Kijiji and see underpriced items. You don't need a whole weekend, just 1 or 2 focused hours. This is flipping. You buy low and sell high on bigger marketplaces like eBay, Poshmark, or Back on Marketplace. Specialize to spot value fast. Learn what to look for, what it's worth, and grab deals in seconds. At night, clean items, take great photos, and write honest listings. Photos and descriptions sell the item. In Canada, shipping is the hurdle. Use a scale, and Canada Post SnapShip or Shippo for discounts. Pack carefully, factor shipping into price. Track cost of goods, supplies, and fees. The difference is profit, reported as business income. Start with less than $50. Hustle 7. Rideshare and delivery. Sometimes you need money now. Turn it on and off like a tap with rideshare and delivery. Work on your schedule. No interview. You are your own boss. A couple hours midweek or a full Saturday can mean hundreds. Don't drive aimlessly. Learn hotspots and ride surges and peak pay windows. Track mileage, gas, insurance, maintenance. CRA allows vehicle deductions based on business kilometers. It's not passive. You're trading time for money. But the flexibility is perfect to fill gaps, save for trips, or build a cash cushion. Hustle 8. Social media management. Walk any Canadian Main Street. Most local businesses have weak social media. They're losing customers. You can be the friendly local expert who fixes this. Offer simple packages. 3 quality posts weekly for 400 to 500 using Buffer or Later. Batch on Sunday evening. Walk in, show the gap, offer the fix. 1 client becomes your case study. 3 clients may take only 4 to 5 hours weekly. That's $1,200 to $1,500 a month. Track and deduct software, phone, internet, and mileage. You're solving a real problem. Hustle 9. Pet sitting and dog walking. People love their pets but work long hours and travel. They need peace of mind. Use Rover to create a profile and offer dog walking, drop-in visits, and overnight sitting on your schedule. Show up on time, send cute updates, leave a note. Turn first-time clients into weekly and vacation repeats. Charge $25 to $35 per walk. Weekend sits $150 to $250. It adds up fast. Advertise locally if independent. Get liability insurance. Rover includes protection. Report income. Track poop bags, treats, and gas. Turn passion into profit. Hustle 10. Create and sell digital courses. Years of knowledge, career, hobbies, life are locked away. People would pay to learn it, package it into a digital course or live workshop and sell to a global audience for passive income. People pay for shortcuts. They won't spend 100 hours, help them in 5. Record short modules over a few weekends. Upload to Teachable, Thinkific, or Podia. Payments, hosting, and access handled. Sell a $197 course to 1 person, or 10,000. The work is the same. Income, untied from time. Get you've made a sale notifications anytime. This builds true wealth. In Canada, report as business income. Manage GST HST after 30,000. Platforms can collect. Deduct platform subscriptions, camera gear, and marketing. Don't waste your expertise. Package it and get paid for years. So, there you have it. 10 powerful, realistic side hustles that can earn you more than your day job, tailored for the Canadian grind. We've gone from the problem of feeling stuck and underpaid to the possibility of building real wealth on your own terms. The blueprint is in your hands. Which one will you start first? Don't just watch, take action. Remember, your problem is limited time and rising costs. The possibility is leveraging that time with smart, high-income strategies. Thanks for watching Neuro Profit AI. If you got value, hit subscribe and ring the bell. Subtitles are available to rewatch any part. Now go get started, I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for more side hustle strategies tailored to Canadian workers.